6. First of all, we will select headings. For example, number of lottery tickets. And the other is cost. With cost, we will write rupees because cost is in rupees. Now we have two headings, number of lottery tickets and cost. So in question, if we have 10 tickets, these tickets cost rupees 200. What will be the cost of 25 tickets? As you know that the variation between these two headings is direct, because if number of lottery tickets increase, cost also increases. So first of all, draw an arrow with X sign because variation is direct, therefore both the arrowheads will be on the same side. Now you will use head and tail rule. Head and tail rule is that after head of the arrow, you will move to the tail of the next arrow. So in this way, we will write x by 200 equal to 25 over 10. This sign shows next line. We will cross multiply so that 200 multiplies with 25. So they cancel this 0. If we multiply 25 with 20, we get 500. Now it means that if 10 lottery tickets cost 200 rupees, then 25 lottery tickets will cost how much? 500. Now question number 5. In this question, we have two headings. Cloth, which is in meters, and then cost, which is in rupees. So in question, it says that if 5 meter of cloth costs rupees 1500, how much will he buy with rupees 15,000? How much cloth will he buy with rupees 15,000? So again, let us see, is it a direct variation or inverse? Because if we have more money, we can get more cloth. So in both of the headings, we use the word more. So ratio is, proportion is direct or variation is direct. So arrowheads will be on the same side. So again, use head and tail rule. So x by 5 is equal to 15,000 divided by 1500. Now cross multiply. First of all, simplify it. These two zeros will cancel each other. 15 ones are 15, and here 15 ones are 15. 10 fives are 50. So with 15,000 rupees, we can get 50 meter of cloth. So this is the answer. We will first select the headings. There are two headings, kilogram and centimeter in length. Weight or mass in kilogram and increase in spring. This increase in centimeter. We have these two headings. Now let us suppose that there is a spring. Now if weight is hung with it, it will stretch. If some weight is hung with it, it will stretch. एक स्प्रिंग के साथ अगर हम वेट लगा दें तो स्प्रिंग थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, खिंच जाएगा. It will be stretched. Now this is the increase in the spring. Now let us suppose that this is the increase in the spring. If the weight is 50 kilogram, now we will write in question. If weight is 50 kilogram, the increase is 2.5 centimeter. Now if spring is stretched up to 7.5 centimeter, then how much will be the weight? Now again, if we think over these two headings, I have already told you that never look on these numbers. Never look on these numbers. Just look on these headings. Now, according to these headings, if mass is increased, spring is also stretched more. More the mass, more the stretch in spring. जितना ज़्यादा वजन होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा स्प्रिंग लंबा हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब यह है कि ये भी डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन है. For direct variation, we put arrows on same side. Now again use the law of head to tail or head to tail rule. First write x over 50. Then 7.5 over 2.5. After that cross multiply. We will get 7.5 multiply 50 over 2.5. Now for solving it, we have different methods. For example, you can cancel these two decimal points because these are at one decimal places. So both can be cancelled. The second method is that you multiply 10 for this one, and you can multiply the denominator with 10 for this decimal sign. So the decimal signs will be cancelled. You have already read in class 6. Now 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. Now multiply 75 with 2, we get 150. So we will write with unit with it, kilogram. It is clear if 50 kilogram mass stretches the spring up to 2.5 centimeter, then 150 kilogram will stretch the spring up to 7.5 centimeter. I think you have understood solving format. For example, there are two words, two headings we get from this question: commission and worth of goods. Commission and worth of goods. Now, a person gets commission in rupees, and worth of good is also in rupees. एक आदमी सामान खरीद कर देने का अपना हिस्सा रखता है. कमीशन मीन्स शेयर. Commission means share. The person who takes commission is called agent. Agent takes 200 rupees if he helps to buy goods for rupees 2000. What will be his commission if he helps to buy 30,000 rupees goods? एक एजेंट है जो 2000 का सामान खरीद के देता है तो 200 रुपए अपने पास रखता है. वो कितने पैसे रखेगा अगर वो 30,000 का सामान खरीद के देगा? आप जानते हैं कि कोई गाड़ी खरीद के देता है तो अपना हिस्सा रखता है, कोई मकान खरीद के देता है तो अपना हिस्सा रखता है. जो अपना हिस्सा रखता है उसे एजेंट कहते हैं, कमीशन एजेंट, और जो उसका हिस्सा होता है उसे कमीशन कहते हैं. इसमें भी ऐसा ही है कि अगर चीज़ महंगी होगी तो कमीशन ज़्यादा होगा. दोनों सूरतों में ज़्यादा का लफ्ज़ है. In both cases we use the word more because the more worth of goods, the more commission he will get. So again variation is direct. So I am not going to solve this question completely. I will leave half of this question for you. I just write one more line. You will use head and tail rule. X over 200 is equal to 30,000. divided by 2000. So x is equal to, we will multiply 200 because here we are cross multiplying. So you will solve for the answer. I think you might have understood. So in question number 8, we have read that there are two headings: weight of sugar and its cost. Now we have to write the units. For example, unit of weight is kilogram here, and the cost is in rupees. So always write units with this, with such type of questions. Now it says that 150 kilograms of sugar cost rupees 3000. It is now not necessary to write rupees here because we have written in heading. Now how much kilogram of sugar we can buy with rupees 8500 or 8500? इसमें भी ऐसी है कि जितनी ज़्यादा चीनी होगी उतनी ही कीमत ज़्यादा होगी. The more weight of the sugar will be, the cost will be more. So in this question the relationship is also direct. इन दोनों में भी तलब डायरेक्ट है. So use head and tail rule. Use head and tail rule. I have already told you, and every time I tell you so that you can remember that head and tail rule is start from the head and move to the tail of the other arrow. Now cross multiply. So cancel 3 zeros. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So we get rupees 425. Sorry, we were not finding cost, we were finding weight. So we will write weight in kilogram. So with 8500 rupees, we can get 425 kilogram of sugar. I think you have understood this question. Now I would like to solve question number 12 because that question involves inverse variation. Up till now we have been solving questions which involve direct variation. Now we will solve inverse variation.